Left Front candidate Ratan Kishore Jamatia officially filed his nomination today for the seat 11 Maharani Constituency in the TTAADC upcoming election. The nomination filing was preceded by a large-scale rally organized by the CPIM Teliamura Sub-divisional Committee.
Supporters marched through the streets of Teliamura town, showing significant enthusiasm despite the political stakes. Accompanied by senior party leadership, Jamatia submitted his papers to the sub-divisional magistrate of Teliamura. Party workers expressed high optimism, stating that the groundswell of support indicates a strong performance for the left front in this tribal council seat.
Somebody look by the Nidoy Romani Bisingo Saka, Nidomi, the Kagosomani, Tagzor, Proposina Cachino, Chini, the Kagos Tomaromano Bro, Yazadinaka, Sairoka, Chini time with the scrutiny claim, scrutiny correction, Simon Line, Bahibina. Asakayu, but the Dingo. Marxist Communist Party left front by the strong candidate man for it. And Simon Ka, the any life goes the Rasanti Jimon Kevin Bisingo, Omon Quillas and Kutu, Zago and Sopagi of Hiromarabu, and will Sikang on pass and lively, and Omon would be the second Kakaburka, as a Hagel, Zonovan now, and the Samon Klagan Mutumani, Niro Nabaki Tubagan Mutumani, Bono Asagina Avenue. Nirok anak kebang bud dogoy jiti lemah kobogoy ang jotono o sambadik dogoy matome nogo asok dogoy kono kananai dono kobogo je ani tong roksa murun nailedi naige jotono bud kaham ke dogoy jini samu sudo roni bangoy jono unjo o asadang kenya ang jotono tewisa kono pigoy ang babu sono dog je takuban tongso kono pigoy ang kono और पैसा जतनो
धनंजय देव वर्मा सिग्नेचर धनंजय देव वर्मा
Reporter by Hiran Moy from Teliamura, Chini Khorang.